Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faras Al-Ghifari. I am from grade 12 of TKJ, and this is my report of implementation of information and technology support industry practice at BPKP office. And the first is background introduction. Learning is SMK is designed with a competency-based approach, a production-based approach, and work-based approach. Competency-based learning is learning that emphasizes fully equipping students with competencies that include approach of attitude, knowledge, and skill. Production-based learning is learning that emphasizes the execution of learning outcomes in the form of finished goods or service in accordance with industry standard or the business world, while learning based in the world of work directs students to improve their competence through the world of work. Learning in the world of work. Students must carry out learning activities in accordance with the competency requirements needed by the world of work. And the second is about the company. The first one is organizational history, the story of the Financial and Development Supervisory Agency or BPKP cannot be separate from the long history of the development of supervisory institutions since before the independence era. By decree number 44 October 31 1936, it was explicitly stipulated that the regulating accountants was tasked with conducting research on the books of accounts of various state companies and certain agencies. Thus, it can be said that the first supervisory apparatus in Indonesia and the State Account Office, or DAN. Truly, the DAN, which is the charge of supervising the management of state enterprises, is under the Treasury General at the Ministry of Finance, which Presidential Regulation number 9 of 1969 concerning instructions for the head of the State Account Office or DAN. The position of DAN was removed from the Treasury General and his position was increased directly under the Minister of Finance. DAN is a government tool in charge of doing all the accounting work for the government for all departments, agencies, and agencies under its control. Meanwhile, the budget oversight function is carried out by the Treasurer General. Subsequently, with Presidential Decree number 239 or 239 1966, the Directorate General of State Financial Supervision or DDPK was established at the Ministry of Finance. The duties of DDPKN, or known later as DGPKN, includes budget oversight and supervision of business entities or services, which were originally the duties of DAN and Treasury General. DGPKN has the task of supervising the entire implementation of the state budget, regional budget, and state or regional-owned enterprise. Based on this Presidential Decree number 70 of 1971, specifically at the Ministry of Finance, the task of the Inspectorate General in the field of supervision of state finance is carried out by DGPKN. And the theoretical basis is one definition. IT support is a field of work that is responsible for the development of network system. And number two is background. IT support is responsible for recording, classifying, diagnosing, and resolving IT support cases from customers and IT users. And number three is employment. So much I think. And that is employment. And number one is you must ensure that the computer used by the user can function normally or run as it should. And number two, you must ensure that the computer used by the user is connected to the network and can communicate properly. And number three, you must ensure that the application used by the user are running properly. And number four, you also need to ensure that all data that the user has on the computer cannot be read or retrieved by others without the user's permission. And five, and other things. And internship in BPKP office. Practice implementation program is held for 1 month, starting on September 2021 until October 2021. Program is placed at the BPKP office, which is located at GL Codes RT3 and RW1 Palmerem Kecamatan Matraman, East Jakarta City, Special Captional Region of Jakarta 13120. And the material and tools during program. Participant needs material and tools used to help participant at the program place. This material and tools include the one is switch. Switch is used to connect a number of computer devices in order to be able to change, packet, and forward data to various destination device. And number two is computer. Computers are used to look for various things that are needed, such as how to install Windows 10, and are also used for other purposes such as registering empty switch port and others. And number three is internet network. The internet network is used to make it easier to process data such as this empty switch port. And the last is conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion is 2, and the one is experience. I think just also, but that is best experience for me because I can feel what it's like to work directly in the office. And two is lesson I learned a lot of lesson there, like a lesson which there is no in school. And the suggestion is one is it is more helpful for students to make it easier to find an internship place that is in accordance with the student's expertise program. And two is improve existing talents and skill. And the last is make internship as a place to apply the knowledge that has been obtained from school. And that is finished. I hope if I have many mistakes, I'm apologize because and that's all for me. If you found many mistakes from my presentation, I apologize because I am human being. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.